Liberty Nation. Truth is making a comeback.
Hi, Lisa K. Donner here from Liberty Nation, and with me today is Scott Cosenza, our legal affairs editor. Welcome, Scott.
Hi, Lisa.
So you've been covering all things Stormy Daniels, and we have some new developments in that case. Let's unpack it for our readers and viewers. Trump's lawyer, Charles J. Harder, has said, quote, "No amount of spin or commentary by Stormy or her lawyer can truthfully characterize today's ruling in any other way than total victory for President Trump and total defeat for Stormy Daniels." So does this mean it's over for Stormy?
Well, the litigation is definitely not over, Lisa. This was a sort of sideshow to the main litigation. In the course of the main litigation, where Stormy is suing Donald Trump to be relieved from not having to be confidential about the night they spent together, which of course she hasn't been in any case, but she wants to be relieved from the legal duty. She took six figures from Donald Trump to shut up about the night they spent together, and has done nothing but talk about it. So that's what the main suit is about. In the course of that suit, she had alleged that Trump had sent some henchmen perhaps to sort of get her to maintain her silence. And Trump basically tweeted out a rebuff of that and said it was I think it said it was a con job. And so then Stormy Daniels sued Donald Trump for defamation because of that tweet. And what we have now is a ruling from the court that says that tweet was not defamation, that to hold it so would be to violate Donald Trump's free speech rights, and that Stormy Daniels has to pay Donald Trump's attorney's fees because of the nature of the case. It's actually quite funny from my sort of nerd legal perspective, Lisa. There's something called an anti-slap rule. And basically, when someone sues another person for defamation, there's a rule that protects the little guy. Okay. And so instead of going through a big trial, because you might say to yourself, well, the defamation action was filed well after the original action, yet we're hearing a judgment about that defamation action today. Why would that be done so quickly? Well, the reason why it's done so quickly is because applying California law, there's an anti-slap motion there, and basically the court can rule in advance of a full trial about whether or not this type of statement is free speech. And that's what they've done. And they've said to Stormy Daniels, because you sued on this claim that was free speech, you now have to pay Donald Trump's lawyer. So in this sideshow of the circus, Lisa, it is a complete victory. But to call it a complete victory in the matters between Daniels and Trump is to say too much.
All right, so she can still go forward with her main case. She's just lost the skirmish, but not the war.
The main case is on pause until the Mr. Cohen's criminal proceedings are dealt with. But there has been this has no bearing in judgment on that main case. That is correct. After that Cohen matter is cleared up to the satisfaction of Judge Otero, I believe, in Los Angeles, then that will go ahead.
All right. So we still have more to look forward to from Stormy Daniels.
Well, there is more to look forward to. First of all, in the case that was just decided to, Avenatti has indicated to the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals that they will appeal the ruling of the federal court, dismissing this case and ruling in favor of Trump for appellate, attorney's fees. So even the sideshow of the main case is still continuing. Unfortunately, I think that because Mr. Avenatti is running for president and gets so much in the way of attention, no doubt fundraising and other positive things from these suits that he gets to file on behalf of Stormy Daniels and other against Trump, it seems to me like we're never, at least as long as Donald Trump is president and Michael Avenatti wants to be president, we're not likely to see the end of these series of lawsuits anytime soon.
All right. Well, thanks very much, Scott, for keeping us up to date. It looks like she is maybe in the background, but hasn't gone away yet. And stay tuned to libertynation.com for more on the Stormy Daniels case. I'm Lisa K. Donner. Thanks for joining us today.
Visit us at libertynation.com.